in a moment ago, you people, you make a mockery of me. What?
Mockery.
To the Allah. Okay. See, I know they joke with small children, but Allah. Okay, let me tell you something. You see, for this lesson, where are the organized people? It will learn from me. Either what I will talk incorrect or incorrect. But meanwhile, I'm going to teach you a song. Clap for me. Clap for me. Clap for me. You know what clap for me? I'm going to teach you a song. You're not getting this kind of like. I said, clap for me. I'm going to teach you people a song. That time when we were singing that song when we are a young girl.
It's not young. Younger.
Okay, I'm going to teach you a song when I am a... You understand? Clap for me.
Mama, you know. Say, Papa Abdul there with all the other parents. Say, una no pay Oga Magawata to teach una children. Una children brain go ferment fast as una take send them come. Instead, make Magawata pay una, make una children the teacher. Because if una can't see what they happen here, una will call police for Oga Magawata. I don't talk my own finish.
Enemy of progress. Say it again.
Enemy of progress.
That is this one. Enemy of program. Enemy of program.
Not enemy of program.
No correct me again, Allah. Leave me alone, man. I'm the teacher. Kate is a student.
Make una go collect una money and they tell una nothing say na lie.
Enemy of our program.
Progress.
Okay. I got to sing that song. I promise everybody. Black and share, and cool. And one is the master, and one is the die. Die.
Sorry, sir. Is it blah blah black sheep you are singing like that?
Yeah.
Hey. Blah blah black sheep. Have you heard it move? Yes, sir. Sing black sheep. One body man, one body day, and one body little body down the lane.
You hear song? Even me I dance. You can't sing like
Allah children. Then Allah Mina tell this
children. If I count to 3, more na laugh. 1, 2, 3.
No matter, okay. Let me tell you something. No matter what thing you do, you are still my student.
It's not student. Students.
Whatever he say, he cannot move you. Everybody here. Okay, you go and tell your mother. Say my 3,000 for lesson. If you don't bring my 3,000 for lesson tomorrow, you don't go come for lesson.
It's me that's supposed to teach you.
Eh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Other people tell my mother not to pay for this lesson because it's not.